Remove scratches from a mirror. A scratched mirror is not a good sight. It can ruin the image that you see on the mirror, and it is also unattractive, especially when the scratch is on a decorative piece that you have at home. You can remove minor scratches with a few tricks. This will eliminate the light scratches on the mirror and restore the mirror back to its original look. Here are some tips that will help you remove the scratches from your mirror. Use toothpaste. One of the most common solutions for mirror scratches is by using regular toothpaste that you use to brush your teeth. This will work on light scratches on your mirror. Take note that you need to use the paste form toothpaste and not the gel toothpaste. Place a dollop of toothpaste on the scratched area. Use your finger to massage the toothpaste on the scratched area with a circular motion. Afterwards, use soft cotton cloth to wipe off the toothpaste from the mirror. The scratch should disappear. Use cerium oxide. Many jewelers use cerium oxide to polish gemstones and precious stones. You can also use this to remove the scratches on your mirror. You can buy glass polishing kits from the hardware store. If you have plenty of mirrors or glass that you want to restore, you can invest in the kit. Just mix the cerium oxide powder with a bit of water until you form a pasty substance. Spread the paste on the scratched area on your mirror and use the buffer in the kit to work it on the scratch. Wipe off the paste to inspect the scratch. It may take a while to completely remove the scratch on your mirror, but it can be done with a bit of hard work. You can purchase the kit from Glass Polishing Kit. Mustard and vinegar. Another solution to mirror scratches is a mixture of dry mustard and vinegar. This is convenient since you may already have these ingredients at home. Mix equal measurements of dry mustard and vinegar. Mix them well to form a paste. Afterwards, dab the mixture on the scratched area on your mirror. Allow the mixture to work on the scratch for a few minutes. Afterwards, use a clean and non-abrasive cloth to rub the solution on the mirror in a circular motion. Inspect if the scratch has disappeared. These are the tricks that you can use to remove scratches from a mirror. If you are working on an antique mirror, you might want to leave the light scratches on since it can add to the aesthetic value of the mirror. Be careful when handling and cleaning your mirrors so that you will not have scratches on them. Use non-abrasive cloth or microfiber cleaning cloth on the surface of the mirror so that the fibers will not be left on the surface of the mirror. If the scratches are deep, you might want to have the mirror repaired by a professional.